All right, what's up y'all? Sean here, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to do a one-legged box squat. These are really good as a replacement for pistol squats. That's something that I actually don't do. Pistol squats are a body weight squat where you just are standing on one leg and you come down. I still haven't learned how to do those safely, but these will help you to do them safely. And I talked about in the previous video why people over 40 should do one-legged box squats, because they're really good for strengthening more so than regular body weight squats. But you have to watch that video to get into those details. Here, I'm gonna tell you technically how to do it. All right, so first of all, you don't wanna be on too high of a platform because there's some balance involved, and you wanna be really careful making sure that you balance well, okay? The higher you go, the more balance is required, and it can be a little dangerous when you're first learning. Second of all, watch this. When you step on a box, ultimately what happens is you are going to lower yourself, the leg that's closer to the edge, you're gonna lower that to the ground, but you're gonna wanna do a couple of things. A few things. One, you're gonna wanna have your hands and your arms in front of you to some degree to help you to balance. You want to have your foot a little backwards, not necessarily on line with where your foot on the platform is. You want it to be backwards. That's gonna help you with your balance, okay? So, and then third thing is you're going to actually also lean back. You're gonna lean your butt back as you do it. That's kind of like some of the reverse hinge movement. That's kind of activating glutes and hamstrings a bit. So watch this, okay? So I'm kind of close to the edge, so I'm gonna go backwards with the foot that's off the platform. You see, you wanna try to go as slow as you can. That'll actually improve with, as you do this more and more. And then once you get to the bottom, you're gonna come straight up like that, okay? So here it is again. Come down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, there you go. Now I'm gonna switch, because you always wanna do both sides. You don't wanna have one big leg, one small leg. So again, we're gonna step up here. Remember, the leg that's gonna be off of the platform is gonna go back a little bit behind you. And we're gonna lean the butt back while putting our hands forward to stabilize. So you come back, come up. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now again, the idea is as you get stronger, you can do much lighter touch on the ground, keeping tension on your legs. And another thing to note is, if you do these wrong, they probably can be a little hard on your knees, but that's why you want to lean back into it, because you don't want to lean too much forward on the knee. That's where a lot of that knee stress comes. And if your knees are prone to issue, then that could be problematic. But you want to lean back into it and come down so you can transfer all of the work to the muscles, if that makes sense, okay? All right, so let me know if you try these. If you have another question about one-legged box squats, put your question in the comments, and make sure you watch the other video where I talk about why one-legged box squats are really good for people over 40 who are seeking to strengthen their legs and to build leg muscle. Thank you guys for watching.